Hi, I'm Jaden from Steamy Kitchen, and I want to tell you about the 5 business lessons that I wish I knew before I started my business. The first lesson is to make decisions based on your commitments and not how you feel. This is a lesson that I learned from billionaire real estate genius Ryan Serhant. Feelings are unpredictable. Someone else's bad day or even the crappy weather, it can sway your emotions. So why would you want to make decisions based on your current emotional state, which can change like the wind? Instead, I make decisions based on the promises and commitments that I make to myself and others. Your word is who you are, and it's all that you have once you strip away everything else. If the best of the best soldiers in our military made decisions based on how they felt that morning, can you imagine the results or the lack thereof? The second lesson is body first, the mind follows. You can research all that you want, but you have to take action in order to make progress. Confidence and experience doesn't even come from success. It comes from failing time after time again, getting back up, adjusting course, and moving forward. And learning from experience and failure creates confidence. When kids first learn how to ride a bike, they don't read book after book on how to ride a bike. They fall off, then their parents encourage them to hop back on and pedal. And after a number of wobbles and spills, their body just gets used to coordinating and balancing on wheels. And they create muscle memory, and soon after that, they become confident. The same is true of business. Put on your superhero cape, your big boy pants, and get your body moving. Take action, do the work, and with enough time in, your mind will catch up. The third lesson is to be brave and do it afraid. This is similar to the second lesson, but it's such an important lesson that it's worth diving into. Be brave, do it afraid is my friend Brandon's life motto. Brandon is a former Cirque du Soleil performer, a professional juggler, a record-holding diver and performer who can hold his breath for over 20 minutes underwater while performing. His father taught him that fear will always be there, but take action anyways. Freedom, results, and possibilities lie just on the other side. Here's a secret. There's pain and fear in action, but there's also pain and fear in no action. So you might as well take the right choice that results in growth instead of just going backwards. The fourth business lesson is to have a force field. Be protective of who you let in and what takes up space in your mind. Don't let the wrong people take up precious real estate in your mind, body, and heart. You need to guard it fiercely. Close your eyes and imagine a powerful, invisible force field that surrounds you. You can let in people, thoughts, and things that bring you good intentions, positive energy, and joy, and everything else and everyone else stays outside of this force field. You can still interact with them if you wish, but they can never be allowed to enter and occupy space, whether it's in your mind, body, or heart. The last lesson is to hook your tomorrow self up. One of my mentors, Jen Gottlieb from Super Connector Media, once told me, I only work for one person, and that one person is me 10 years from now. What a profound piece of advice. Be in service of your future self. What can you do today to hook up your future self? For example, if my commitment is to go to the gym every single morning, what can I do tonight to make it incredibly easy for my tomorrow self to fulfill that promise? I probably would lay out my gym clothes. Sometimes I even sleep with them on, go to bed early, and maybe lay off the alcohol that night. So there you have it. Those are the 5 business lessons that I wish I had learned before I started my business, and hopefully these 5 lessons will help you as well.